Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting a Windows environment running fast. Spin up a VM or a cloud Windows instance and enable virtualization in BIOS. Once done, install a supported browser testing tool or locate the Safari Legacy installer for Windows if you must. Make sure to snapshot the VM before changes so you can revert. This saves time and prevents configuration drift. As you proceed, keep credentials and licenses handy, and prepare dev tools and sample pages to test immediately after the browser is available. Boot the VM and update Windows so networking and certificates work smoothly. Then install Safari Legacy if you chose local testing, or install the Remote Test Agent for Browser Stack or Sauce Labs for faster coverage. Once connected, open your site and use the Web Inspector or Remote DevTools to inspect DOM, resources, and console logs, emulate mobile viewports and throttled networks to mimic real users. While testing, take screenshots and record sessions. This provides artifacts for bugs and ensures you can reproduce rendering differences later. Conclude by capturing final screenshots and exporting console logs so you can compare Safari on Windows versus other browsers. File issues with clear reproduction steps and attach artifacts. Once done, revert the VM snapshot to a clean baseline and record any environment-specific notes. If things go wrong, first clear caches and cookies, disable extensions, and restart the browser. If rendering still differs, try toggling experimental WebKit flags or test on a remote real device farm. These steps isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.